Hi, my name's Blyss. I'm a fourth and final year speech pathology student studying at Southern Cross University, and I'm here doing my placement with UCRH. I feel like we've made a big difference in the community just through engaging with all the different aged care residents. They often get to sit down one-on-one with people and have that really meaningful chat about their lives. So I feel like we've made a difference in terms of their ability to connect with different people, and they always enjoy talking to the younger crowd. It was such a great experience working with different professionals. I learned things that I didn't know before, and it was really great to work on collaborative goals and work towards the best patient outcomes. Something unique I've learned about rural health is the sense of community that it has. I'm from a metro kind of city, and you just don't get that same community vibe there, so I've really enjoyed seeing what the community has to offer here. So we connected with the local people by attending the Beating Hearts of Lismore, which is the choir group, and that was such an amazing experience to see everybody singing and talking and communicating, doing the things that we love as speech pathology students. I think rural placements matter so much because oftentimes not all the services and specialties can be available to people, and obviously that's such an important issue of having accessible healthcare. So if students can help kind of pick up some of that load and get to learn at the same time, I think that that's a win-win for everyone.